So Annie, we're going to finish talking about topic 2, 7.3 and 7.4. In example 5, we have the differential equation that x squared times y minus 1. Describe all the points in the xy plane for which the slopes are positive. So basically that means that we need this to turn out to be a positive number, which means that I really need it to be either a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative. We know no matter what we put into x squared, as long as it's not 0, not x equals 0, that it will be positive. Okay, so we're going to write that fancy. So the fancy way, mathematical way we would write this would be, I'm going to start a little sentence here. The points where, and so for the first part, I would say where x does not equal 0, because I could put anything else in and that would make that positive. So if this one is always going to be positive, I need this one over here to also turn out to be a positive number. So if I think about putting numbers into y, if I plugged in like a -1, that would give me a -2. If I plug in a 0, that's going to give me a -1. If I plug in a 1, that's going to give me 0. So I still haven't hit anything that's actually going to give me a positive, because 0 times whatever I put in x squared is still 0. And I need it to be a positive number, because it says the slopes are positive. So let's try 2 minus 1, which is a positive 1. 3 minus 1 is a positive 2. So it looks like as long as I am bigger than the number 1, right? Because that's what I'm sorry, it was this here. Bigger than that number 1, I will always get a positive number. So where x is not equal to 0 and where y is greater than 1, yield slopes that are positive.